Welcome to our Bank Reconciliation in Business Central demo. Bank Reconciliation in Business Central simplifies aligning your financial records with bank statements, reducing errors, and saving time. Watch how easy it is to import and match transactions while ensuring financial accuracy in just a few clicks.
Let's create a new bank statement for the month. To start, we'll enter the final statement date in this field. By selecting the bank option, you can import bank statement as often as you want throughout the month to bring in new reconciled bank transactions. If using Yodlee, the user will have date fields to enter. If uploading a file that is downloaded for the bank, you can import it here. The new entries will come in on the left-hand side under bank statement lines. Select Matching, followed by Match Automatically, to reconcile the imported entries with the posted bank entries in Business Central. Enter the number of transaction date tolerance that the system should use in reconciling. My example is 3 days. Business Central will tell you how many lines have been reconciled. Under Bank, there is an option to transfer any lines not currently posted in Business Central to a general journal for posting. This process can be run as often as you wish, until you are ready to close out the month. To do so, enter statement ending balance and post. Interested in learning more? Speak with one of our experts to explore how Dynamics 365 Business Central can drive efficiency that's scalable, sustainable, and built to last.